Janhvi Kapoor just can't seem to catch a break. The young actor who received a lot of praise for her performance as Gunjan Saxena in her new movie, which just had an online premiere, has spoken about dealing with trolling and negativity and how it impacted her and her family.
Well, Star Kids have been at the receiving end of negative comments and criticism ever since the word nepotism was used first on a chat show. In the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, the anger and backlash has only increased against industry insiders, privileged producers and Star Kids. Janhvi Kapoor too was at the receiving end of the much hate from netizens, with her film Gunjan Saxena The Kargil Girl receiving 80,000 dislikes as soon as the trailer was released.
Janhvi, whose last full-length film was her debut movie Dhadak in 2018, and after 2 long years, Janhvi's most challenging film so far finally had an online premiere after the pandemic delayed the film's release. In the lead-up to the film's OTT premiere, Janhvi and the film's producer Karan were at the receiving end of a lot of hatred and anger, with many calling for a boycott of the film and posting online that films with Star Kids should not be watched. The young actor, who is basking in the joy of positive reviews and comments on her performance in the film, spoke to a senior journalist recently and shared how her family had reacted to the online anger and how it impacts her self-confidence. Janhvi revealed that while her sister Khushi stayed cool, her father was extremely worried about her. In the interview, Janhvi said, "My sister is supremely cool and strong. So she is just like, don't give it, it's fine. But you have to exercise more sensitivity because there is a bigger thing at play and bigger emotions at play that everyone is dealing with. I don't want to ever come from a place where I'm like, oh, sympathize with me, I'm being trolled, because everyone does have their journey." लेकिन जहां उसकी बहन थी calm और supportive, her father, producer Boney Kapoor, was affected by the hostility against his daughter and the constant criticism she was facing. Yeah, it hurt my father, but he had seen the film much before and his belief in my performance and the film was so strong that he was not so affected by the social media situation. That gave me a lot of strength as well. In fact, Boney ji अपनी बेटी को लेके इतने worried थे that he actually kept an eye on her for a couple of days to make sure she was okay. There were a couple of days when he was literally stalking me in my house because he did not know how I was feeling. But after the initial day or two of feeling bogged down by it, it fuels you. At least for me. Janhvi, whose mother was the legendary Sridevi, ironically an outsider in the industry, who rose to superstardom by virtue of her talent, spoke about the lessons she had learned from making Gunjan Saxena The Kargil Girl, and how that has helped her cope with the pressure of expectations and the assumptions people have about her being just another privileged star kid. I think that fear is always kind of there because you are doing what you are doing for the public, and when the resistance is from the public, you kind of question. I had this phase before shooting Gunjan Saxena in a very massive way. But then, honestly speaking, as cheesy as it sounds, through the shooting of this film and through learning from Gunjan ma'am, I learned that if you have self-belief and work hard, then you will get where you have to get. Well, we do hope that you and all the other many talented actors struggling to catch a break in Bollywood also get an opportunity to showcase their talent, and that we overcome our biases against each other and find a way to all coexist and create wonderful cinema together.